Hello everyone, I am Mohit Gupta and my team members are Naman Shah, Subham Rawat and Dhruv Bosamya. So we have made application discuss scheduling algorithm. We have used Flutter language and Android Studio for making discuss scheduling application. You can see now the few algorithms which are first FCFS. Let's put some initial position in there and let's type some queue elements 176, 79, 34, 60, 92, 11, 41 and 114. Now let's submit it. You can see the graph which is created by FCFS method. You can see total seek time is there and average seek time is there. Now let's move towards the next. This is SSTF. Let's put some initial position, some queue elements 176, 79, 34, 60, 92, 11, 41 and 114. Let's submit this. We can see this is graph which is created by SSTF method and which is different than FCFS method. You can see total seek time is changed and average seek time is also changed. Let's move towards next. This is scan. Let's put some initial position and some queue elements. Let's submit this. You can see this is the graph which is created by a scan method is also different and total seek time is 226 and average seek time is 28.25. The next is cscan. Let's put some initial position, some queue elements. Now let's submit this. This is the graph created by cscan method. You can see total seek time is 389 and average seek time is 55.57. Let's move towards the next. This is a look algorithm. Now we have put initial position. Let's put some queue elements. Let's submit this. You can see now this graph is created by look method. Total seek time is 291 and average seek time is 36.375. The last one is clook. So let's put some initial position, queue elements. Let's put now let's submit this. So this is the different types of graph and this graph is created by clook method. Total seek time is 321 and average seek time is 40.125. Okay, so now you can see we have put almost same values of q position and also same head position, but you can see there are total different types of answer. So by which we can conclude, or by which we can choose what algorithm we have to apply. Every algorithm will give different type of answer. Thank you very much.